Now imagine this little zipper at the top of your head, zipping it down to the base of your feet. And for this moment, move outside of your physical body, about 8 inches above your head, and feel this deep connection to the sky, to the alternate states of consciousness, inviting this golden light pouring down into every energy center, filling up your whole body with this golden light, as if it was a bucket of information all the way up. And imagine that your physical body is the tip of an iceberg. And imagine that the vast majority of the iceberg that's normally underneath the water is above your head at this perfect V shape. That's your soul, your spirit. Slow, refined breath, refueling this deep connection to your mind, to your body, to your emotions, bringing up this deep state of gratitude, emotionally charged thankfulness for yourself, for this day. Just cultivate this deep gratitude for all that you have, not for what you lack. Thank you, thank you, thank you. My body, my mind, my life. Thank you, thank you. Thank you for this temple.